Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to quickly tell you how to make thumbnail. Actually I was going to make one video of how to double your mobile RAM and mobile speaker sound, which is an official method, means no third party app will be used for that trick. So I was just going to make a video on that trick. Before that, when I was making the thumbnail of that video, uh, I thought that I must quickly tell you how to make thumbnail within few minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. So just coming to that, if you have not subscribed this channel, kindly subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, just going to the app, pixel app, and that app is, we will go pixel app. So now this was my earlier project, so go and choose the default. This is default one app will become. So just close that app and then this, delete this text. Okay, now you have to choose the background. Just go to the layer and choose the color. Where is the color? Here is the color. So gradient color, I will choose this. You can also choose another one depending upon your choice. So you can also choose for color also this one, but I will go for gradient, and it can be modified from here, how dark you want to take, how. So I will take this I have also told in your earlier videos. So now just go to the text. Text, I will drag it down, not rotate it. It is rotated. Just, oh, what is happening? Just drag it down, just enlarge the size and write down the text. So official hidden tricks I have written down. Just we will adjust the font size. Suppose size, I will write it down. Just enlarge this, it should come. Now I will also decrease, increase it. Now this is here. Now I slowly I will this, I have adjusted it at top. You can also rotate it by some angle if you want. For looking it nice, I have just 13 degree official hidden tricks, not 13, some 6 degrees. Okay, now I will change the background of this. So now the background is where is the background color? 1 minute, let here it will come. Image size, no, here, no, here. This color is of this, and then text background color will be in the text. So I will go to the text. Why it is not here? This is background. Now I will enable it. I will go to the gradient and I will choose this official hidden tricks. Okay, now I will take the font. This I will choose. Okay, official hidden tricks. I will search this down, and then color, not this color. Where is the color? I will take gradient and this official hidden tricks. So now one is finalized. Now then next text, and write it down. So this I have written. Now okay, so I will not rotate it. I will just it's 0 degree. So here I will now shift it here. Then now it should be aligned properly. It should be aligned. Yes, now it is aligned. Okay, background color should be selected. I will go for that only, this. And then background font, you can go for this font. You can go, and then color of the font, you should search for the color. gradient, and I will go for this only. So just increase it. Okay, now these two things have been here. Then you can also go here and enter it. Now this is like that. This will save some space on left hand side. So this, now I will go to the import. Then I will import one this, and I will adjust side one screenshot I have taken of RAM plus. Okay, I will go ahead there, and then again I will go to the air only, and color, opacity, everything is good. Now I will go to the one thing here, not here, this. I will go to the shapes. Basically shapes is not coming where it should be. I will go to plus sign, and here shapes are there. I will go for one circle shape, and the opacity I will go to 0, tell to 0, and then 1 minute, cancel it. I will cancel it. I will again. So I have selected the shape circle. I will reduce the size, and opacity level will be also so that it can be seen. Now I will shift here. Here it has been shifted, and now I will go for the color, and color I have selected this, opacity level this. Okay, now stroke width, it should be like this, and this color I will go to the color red. Okay, now this is okay. Then again, so now I will lock it. Go and lock it. It is locked. It is locked now. Then I will go to the arrow. Then one arrow key is like that. I will set it. Then I will color it. Opacity color it. I will take color this, and then this is okay. Now I will go to the I will lock it also. Locked it. Okay, now again go to the import. Now I will import this image. Just okay. I will reduce the size, slightly increase the size, slightly. Okay, now I will copy this. Actually I have to unlock first, then copy. Now I will, this should be changed. So this again, lock it, lock both, and unlock this, copy here, and you can increase to. So done. Now I will lock it also. So official hidden tricks, mobile RAM double, mobile speaker sound increase, and now with the help of one, again I will go to the import, and then one pixel, cancel, 1 minute, import this. Okay, now I will just reduce the size, and this is here, and done. Okay, now again import. I will go and take a YouTube size will be reduced. It is okay, then done. Now here, so this type of now you can go and save the export image and the format JPG type, and then dimensions ultra, save to the gallery, it will be saved. And then you can also save the project from this button, save as a project. It will ask for a title. You can give it any title. I am going ABC and my project is then again the ad will come. Just close the ad, and now you will go to the gallery and we will see. Yes, now this has come. So this was the YouTube thumbnail which I am going to put in my next video. This video is how I have created that. So if you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel for this type of informative knowledge. Thank you very much friends.